My dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Khadijah Rahman from Aligarh, India. I want to clear a doubt about Aql and Wahi, the reason and the revelation. So, in this sitting, the topic of my talk will be the leadership of revelation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only creator of this entire universe, all skies and earth. He is the only sustainer of his entire creatures. He managed for the hidayah of mankind as well, so he or she can receive the final victory and success of all successes in both the worlds, which is termed as Saada. In the word of Shah Waliullah, a well-known Islamic thinker of 18th century India. For the guidance of humanity, Allah managed to send a series of divinely guided Anbiya and Rusul, coming from Adam and ending up to Muhammad, peace be upon all of them. Friends, Allah has created three important faculties within every physics of entire humanity, known as eyes, ears, and heart, about which Allah says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Inna sam'a wal basara wal fuada kullu ulaika kana anhu mas'ula. Surely the sight, the hearing, the heart, each of these shall be called to account. On the basis of these gifted senses, man has challenged the leadership of revelation and claimed that only reason or aql will be the final tool for receiving Allah's will and wish. No doubt, the scientific or materialistic sources and the tools that are eyes, ears, and heart will guide us to right and wrong, but to a limited direction and destination. But beyond our sights, there exists another world, known as metaphysical world, Alamul Ghaib, will not be discovered by our materialistic senses. So, the leadership of revelation is an inseparable part for our guidance and salvation. Brothers and sisters, no human intellect and ration can prescribe real virtues and goodness for a man. Here arises a question, whether human faculties are sufficient for the guidance and hidayah. My response is in big no. Allah says, for those who have refused to follow the way of Allah, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Summum bukmun umyun fahum la yaqilun. For those who have refused to follow the way of Allah resemble cattle. When the shepherd calls them, they hear nothing except shouting and crying. They are deaf, dumb, and blind, so they understand nothing. My conclusion is, reason or science must accept the leadership of revelation, and if so, the science will see the moment of joy, the state of happiness, and the sense of completeness. And reason, under the leadership of revelation, can win both the worlds. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.